Here's the materials to terminate cable. First is the UTP cable. Second is the cable tester to know if the cable we make is right. Third is the crimping tool. And the last one is the RJ45 or the Internet crimp connector. So, the first cable we will make is a straight through. So the use of this cable is to connect computers and other end-user devices, for example, printers to networking devices such as hubs and switches. In this cable, we use T568B as a wiring standard. So the first thing to do is strip the wire. Then, set up the wire according to its color coding. The color coding is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. After we set up the wire, cut the remaining wires with the cutter in balance and a clean way. After cutting, connect the cable wires to RJ45 and make sure all the wire are properly connected and still at the same position. Then, crimp the RJ45 properly. Now, do the same thing on the other side of a cable. Same color coding and process. So after doing the both side, connect the cable to the LAN tester to see if the cable is right. So in knowing if the straight through cable is right, it should runs from 1 to 8 with no errors. The second cable we will make is the crossover cable. These are used to connect two computers or similar devices directly together, such as computers to hubs. For example, computer to computer and laptop to laptop. So first, strip the wire. Then, set up the wire according to its color coding. So the first end of a cable, the color coding is orange-white, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, brown-white, and brown. Or the T5685. After we set the wire, cut the remaining wires with the cutter in balance and a clean way. After cutting all the wire, connect to RJ45 connector and make sure all the wires is still in their correct position. And crimp the cable together with the connector. Proceed to the other side of a cable. Set up the wire according to its color coding. The color coding of this other end of a cable is white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, white-brown, and brown. And this side we use T568A. And cut all the remaining wires and make sure it is straight and fair. Connect to RJ45 and crimp the cable. And the last thing to do is connect the cable to the LAN tester. To know if the crossover through is correct, the LAN tester should run at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the other side is 3, 6, 1, 4, 5, 2, 7, and 8.